Hey leaders, hope you're doing amazing. This is Mark from Ivy Leads, and for today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you another update on the system specifically regarding payments. Now, as you know, you can directly integrate your Stripe account in the CRM so you can process payments using, your sales pages or even create invoices in the system. Right now, there's a new update that, would be beneficial for you to, do some other actions so you don't have to necessarily log into your Stripe account, specifically to cancel a payment and issue a partial or full refund. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. If you go to your account and go to payments, for example, you go to subscriptions and you want to cancel a subscription from a client. No, you don't have to go to Stripe anymore because if you click on the three dots in here, you can actually click on cancel subscription. Right, there are a lot of actions here as well. If you want to view the subscription, the customer, or the order, you can do all of that here as well. And not only that, you can also, even process a refund, both partial and full amount refund. So just go to transactions and then select the actual, you know, um, client's transaction that you want to issue a refund. And click on the three dots on the right hand corner as well and click on refund. And in here you can, select the actual amount if you want, a full or partial refund payment for your client. Now, as you see in my screen, the you know refund would appear in the bank statement of the client within 4 to 6 business days, same as when you do this in the Stripe. The only thing is you don't have to log into your Stripe account because everything, you can do that inside your CRM. Isn't that great? Awesome. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, let us know so we can provide more clarity for you. And if you want to learn specific topics regarding the CRM, let us know so we can create that next tutorial specifically for you as well. Hope you have an awesome rest of your week and see you next video.